In this video, I will be modifying the front fender and the radiator shields. If you have one of these motorcycles, the K1600, you know that this is the so-called protective shield that goes in front of the radiator. What I decided to do is I'm going to remove this piece. And what I think that's going to do is going to allow more airflow through the radiator. Once this is removed, there won't be anything here to protect the radiator. And that's why we're going to modify the front fender. Now, to take this out, it's real simple. All there is to it is this just unclips from the top here, and then it pops out from here. And there you go. As you can see, this one's already broken. So now the radiator is going to be all open, and you're going to have all that airflow going through. Let's go mount this on the vehicle. Now your shroud is in place, and you can see how it's all open in front of the radiator now. And like I said, to remove that section, you would just pop it out of here and there, and then it will come right out. This, my friends, is the extension for the fender. Comes with the 3M tape already on it, and they give you some screws. I am not going to be using these screws. We're going to be riveting this on. Alcohol on a rag. Clean the rear of this fender on the inside where the tape's going to go. Make sure that there's no dirt whatsoever on there. This extends the fender down almost 5 inches. Remove the covering on the 3M tape. Press it together, flip it around, and I'm going to press on this. I'm going to put 3 rivets, one in this area, one in this area, and one in the center. So now I'm going to step it up to a 9/64 drill bit. So I'm going to use a 1/8 inch by 5/8 rivet and 1/8 inch washers on both sides. That's what the 3 rivets look like on the back of the fender. Now you can take some touch-up paint, flat black, and just touch this up so you don't see it. Just snug these down. You don't have to be that tight. Now you can see what that extension does to the fender. It goes all the way down to right about the bottom of the radiator. So that's going to keep a ton of stuff from hitting that radiator and clogging those fins. And that's all there is to improve airflow through your radiator. Ride safe.